So now let's see the options that you have as a Zoom meeting participant inside of an active Zoom meeting. So I'm going to go over here on to join, and then I'm going to enter my meeting ID right over here, and I'm just going to click on join, just like that. And I'm going to copy the password over here as well and enter the meeting password. And the meeting password, okay, it's wrong for some reason. Let me just paste it again, and then it is verifying the meeting and connecting it out right over there. And as the meeting host will admit you, you'll be inside the meeting right over here. So I'm using my mobile phone right over here where I'm hosting the meeting, and I'm using my computer to actually join in as a guest. So I'm just going to close this out. I'm going to continue. I'm not going to turn on the microphone because of the echo effect. So I'm just going to start the video right over here, and you'll be able to see myself right over here. So I'm here, and there's the meeting host. That is my mobile phone view. So now I can go over here onto the gallery view right here to see it a different view, just like that. I can also go into the full screen view right over here, and I can exit the full screen view. I also have the meeting ID right over here, and I can see that the description of the client connection being encrypted, it is there as well. So I can invite other members by using this ID as well. So I have an option right here to join the audio and test out the audio settings, join in the video settings, just like I would have on a host meeting setting. I can see the participants right here, although I won't be able to see any guests right here. So I can go over here onto the chat box, and I have access to chat box as well. And over here as a participant, what I can do is I can raise a hand. So I can go over here, click on raise hand. So now the raise hand option has been sent to the host right over there. So just like that, I have an option to do that. I can share my screen, and right now the host has disabled the screen. So unless the host actually tells me that I can share my screen, I cannot share my screen right over here. So another thing I can do is record the meeting. So that's also is in control of the host right over there. What I can do over here, however, is send a reaction like a clap right over here. You can see that I'm sending a clap, and I also am sending a thumbs up. So another, of course, is I can lower hand, I can raise hand right over here to raise the hand. I can go over here and change my name as well. So I can go over here, I can rename out, I can add in a profile picture as well, and I can go over here, see other options as well. So I can message out to only the host or only the other participants according to what I want, and I can also send them files, as you can see, through different options like Microsoft OneDrive, like Google Drive, and my computer, of course. So that is what I can do. So I got less features. I can access the views and everything, but I only have access to only the things that the host allows me to have access to. So that is the meeting options that you have as a participant in a Zoom meeting. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.